Hello everyone, my name is Harish. Welcome to my video series on project management. Today I'm going to talk about the difference between Agile and Waterfall. The topic of Agile versus Waterfall gets lots of discussions during initial software development phases. What will be the best implementation and methods to choose? Both of these methodologies are reusable and mature. Selection of methodologies depends on project, time to market, and ROE of the organization. Waterfall is traditional method of software development, whereas Agile is a new approach for rapid application development implemented with Scrum or Kanban. Now let's understand the difference between Agile and Waterfall. Number one, Agile has a flexible process allowing you to move through the project as you like. Whereas Waterfall is a structured process where you can't change to a new phase until the previous one has been completed. Agile does not enforce a linear process, whereas Waterfall is completely sequential process. Requirements are expected to change and evolve in Agile project. Waterfall projects usually have defined requirements in advance. Agile is very accommodating for changes. In Waterfall project, you can't change things which is done previous stage. In Agile, you anticipate any kind of changes during the project, whereas in Waterfall, you have to work on orderly and predictable fashion. Agile intends small, medium-scale, dedicated teams who are highly collaborative and coordination between the team members. Whereas Waterfall involves large team which has decreased coordination among team members. In Agile, customers are available throughout the project. Whereas in Waterfall, customers are only involved during milestones or certain milestones of the projects. In Agile methodologies, project development phases such as designing, developing, testing, etc. Are followed in an iterative manner. Every sprint it happens. Whereas in Waterfall, project development phases are completed once in lifetime of the project. Agile focuses on product mindset, which ensures that we give a proper product to an end customer. Whereas Waterfall ensures a project mindset to make sure that project is completed within the set timelines and deliverables. I hope you enjoyed this discussion on project, on Agile and Waterfall. Thank you so much for listening to it. Hope you have a great day.